From the first step I took in this amazing field, I wanted the Roberto Coin brand to be eccentric. It was born in a very unusual way, but one thing for sure, it had to be different in personality and objective. As a matter of fact, it was already since 1996 that this brand would represent diversity. And it was this diversity which was the fundamental characteristic of the brand. It has never been my goal to be recognized through the use of design with similar characteristics that make them recognizable at first glance. That would have been too easy. Through the tireless production of new design, our mission is to create something that inspires, that surprises, and most of all, is never boring. The Roberto Coin brand wants to make the diverse essential. Many others prefer to propose the same jewels to different women. I rather propose a different one to each one of them. I do want to give every woman the opportunity of freedom to choose to be herself and most of all, to be unique. Even the idea of the ruby has dual significance. The signature and the romantic symbol is also a means to identify the jewels belonging to the brand. The ruby is the anchor that visibly ties all my jewels to the same origin and also guarantee aesthetic freedom. Brands tend to be iconic only when they are defined by a few recognizable designs. In my opinion, this means limiting creativity, which is the expression of freedom par excellence. Not being recognizable at first glance has given me the liberty to create and to be something innovative and unique. Even today, after 20 years, I can assure you I have not changed my mind. I truly believe in the vision which guarantees a more dynamic, beautiful and curious future. But most of all is a vision which is able to surprise again and again.